welcome back to eeDesignIt. Here in the US, we are preparing for Independence Day, the 4th of July, and along with the 4th of July comes a ton of fireworks. So today, let's talk a little bit about the technology that goes into these elaborate firework displays, but also let's consider an alternative to these loud, environmentally damaging fireworks. And let's see what you think. Will this replace fireworks? Let's see. Legend has it that the first fireworks show was actually set off by Captain John Smith in 1608. Fast forward, we're here in 2024. Are fireworks still doing it for us? Well, they have been for centuries. Fireworks rely on precise chemical reactions involving compounds like strontium for red, barium for green, and copper for blue. These reactions are triggered by electronic firing systems, which ensure accurate timing and synchronization, often controlled with some sophisticated software. These modern displays today leverage even more advanced technology. Electronic firing systems allow for millisecond precision, creating complex choreographies synced to the music. And thanks to wireless technology, which sends those signals over to the launch sites, less cabling is required, so less of a safety hazard. But lately, people have been talking about replacing fireworks with drones. Now, last year, I think it was Salt Lake City, Utah, Boulder, Colorado, someplace in San Diego as well. These cities were actually replacing their standard fireworks shows with drone displays. Now, I can see the appeal. I mean, drones do offer several advantages over traditional fireworks. First of all, they're programmable, so you can get repeatable patterns in the sky. And since we're using LEDs, you don't have all of that smoke and sound associated with standard fireworks, but you still get the vibrant display. Obviously, from a safety perspective, drones seem to be a clear winner. I mean, you reduce the opportunity for misfires, just regular fires, and environmentally speaking, there's no chemical residue, so that's good for the environment. But I mean, how do we live without fireworks? That's like a visceral experience, right? And I don't know, there is so much opportunity with drones, I get it, but how will they stack up in the long run? I mean, some people still really want that tradition that started in the 1600s. Do we think that drones can simulate this and make everybody happy? What do you think? Would you rather see a drone display, a fireworks display, or do you think we can maybe get some hybrid approach going? I don't know. You tell us.